So it's day 357 stuck on this island, and I don't know if anybody's coming. Just kidding, guys. It's day 4. We got here a little early this morning. Nothing is happening yet. We got the shop is a total train wreck just from the late nights and the early morning, so I wanted to take a moment to get everything cleaned up. And today should be a big day. We should be done with probably 90% of the cabling today. I've got a special delivery coming today. I've got a whole bunch of birch coming for us to start the enclosure. So we got 15 sheets of birch coming in today. Yeah, I think we got quite a few goodies. So Sheila gonna get some good lovin's today. So just stay with us. We're gonna go ahead and get running. We got some goodies here. Sheila got some bed can.
Can we pick it up and take it off of there?
What, take the whole thing? Hey, you got that. Sheila's bed candy. Well, doesn't look like a lot from back here.
No, you gotta get really close.
Oh yeah, that way it looks huge. So 15 sheets of birch.
Only 15 of them.
Yep. A sheet of birch. Don't you wish the box would just come assembled and we just put it in the bed? Would really ease our time, huh?
That makes you think or realize how wasteful stack fab is.
Yeah. Yep. Glad you made it back, DJ.
Yep, just in time.
Yeah, just in time.
While we unloaded.
Yeah, well, this is DJ's initiation.
Smart.
Alright, I guess I'll put this down. I gotta do shit. So. Man, it's kind of like we did that in time lapse, right?
Have this right.
Yeah.
Amish Don towing his chariot.
Can I grab a picture of that, Bill?
Hey!
Hold on, Don. You're robbing Dixie Ply.
Yeah, they got our system linked to the tickets now. Evidently, everybody keeps dropping them off at the wrong place.
Oh.
Smash the fuck out of my fingers.
What's up?
Don and his modern technology chariot.
Yeah!
That ain't no horse and buggy. Hey, easy. Don't put that on there.
Hey, that would be pretty cool.
Yeah.
Roll up in here.
Hey, we'll do
This
it.
thing built in like
Yeah.
20 minutes, dude.
They come to see their family. Yeah. Oh. Oh, you turning the music down in there? It's gonna go flag me. Oh. How's that, All right. So again, we got our birch. That's a plus.
Just a few pieces.
Glad we got it earlier than later.
He's gonna give you the.
If I gotta sign it. You hold this?
Okay.
Oh,
Oh. Amish Don, how you doing, homie?
good. About to go charge some butter.
That's what I'm talking about.
I don't know where you're from. It's fun, right? Stupid. That is? Or
What happened?
I thought I had to sign it.
They write him a check.
Oh, what up? What now?
Sounds good 101.
What is it listed under?
Hey DJ,
Hey,
what you doing?
playing with myself.
right, tell them what you're doing, and then I'm gonna go super fast YouTube mode on you. Yeah.
We're running wires into the door so we can make our tweeters tweet.
Make our tweeters be tweeting.
Feel me?
Awesome sauce.
All right.
We going fast mode.
All right, it's a big day. So we hunkered down doing some work and got all the carpet back in Sheila. My girl's starting to look like a truck again. Got it all vacuumed, got all the carpets protected. The cables worked out perfect into our console. Yeah, great guess. Shit's all good. DJ got all the cables down into the tubs here. So this is where all of our amplifiers are gonna go. We got more. We got a lot of stuff to do down there. We'll get to that another time. But so I still got to clean some of these connections up. Everything here is finally finished, so it's all dressed up. Remote start works great. We tried it out earlier today. So still tying in a couple door triggers, but we'll go through that just for the rear doors when we get there. I think the plan is we got a couple these hoses that we had for the breathers or whatever. We did get some replacement hose today. So we're gonna go ahead and get those rerun. Once those gets run, the doghouse can go on and Sheila really be looking like a sexy girl. So I think tomorrow we might try to get some of the dash together. That would be a big plus. I think DJ's gonna work on the amp trays while I work on the dash. We did get all of our Birch, so I mean we might get into that enclosure, but I think we're gonna wait another day or two. But yeah, she's coming along. Everything looks great. Got to figure out some stuff under the truck still. That's still a little bit of a mess. But going, man. It's you know, you put a lot of time into all this cabling and stuff, and it takes some time. And a lot of people don't know that work goes into it. But I mean, it's important. Once Sheila leaves, we're married to her. I mean, anything happens, we need to know every inch of her. So hopefully the boys over at XS, Scotty, and everybody's happy with how it's going. I mean, we're loving it. So we're gonna keep on pecking through, see where we end up tomorrow, and yep, we'll check in with you then. Y'all stay tuned.